friends, good evening. This is Sandy from Sunday Page. So this is my YouTube channel. In case if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe for more updates and tap the bell icon for instant updates. Okay. So let's see what is happening today and what happened today, and we can see a couple of stocks what is happening. So I said gold that will reach 1800 as a target. So what happened? See, gold. This is the level I given in the April 21st. I given this call, and I said April 21st. I said gold will reach $1,800. That time the gold was 1,746. So beautifully taking a support here, and after that today the entirely gold got it. And one of my student has made like $12, close to $12 profit he booked right now in the gold. So that's I'm very happy for him. Yeah, that guy's name is student Deepak. Right now he's here. So this guy has made the profit and almost like $12. If we hold this stock, definitely would have booked almost like $100. That's what he mentioned here. See, that's what he mentioned here. So always price action is very, very important. That's what we mentioned. And what is going to happen in the Nifty? So Nifty, same like gold. The Nifty, the thing is like, if in case 14,800 is broken very strongly, because right now it's showing a clear uptrend. In case if Nifty goes in a clear uptrend right now, because it's taking a support here, so in case goes there, we can expect another like 100 points, 120 points in upside. But we need to wait what is happening, because as per the fundamental news as well as Corona news, we cannot expect what is going to happen there. So in case if market supports technical analysis, market supports price action, definitely the market will reach 14,850 at 81900 range. And same like Bank Nifty. When you see the Bank Nifty weekly analysis, exactly market at the exact resistance. See, exactly at the market at the resistance. That's what. So we need to wait what is going to happen in the upcoming days. And Hero MotoCorp, I given this call to two clients, and they booked the profits. I'm very happy for him. Exactly, I given the support range. Right now it's a huge gap up wins, a huge gap up today, and definitely the market has given a positive result also, like more than 30% profit after tax, given a 30% positive side. And I saw it in news, and after that today market has given almost like 4.5% up. It's very good stock, seriously very good uptrend. And even the Max Financial Services, one of my students asked me in the group, and even this stock is rocking almost like close to like 3.5 to 4%. Market was up. Exactly price action happened, taking a support here, a pullback, retracement. Again the market is given almost like 4.5%. So this is what, once you know the price action very well, definitely you can know what is happening and all the stuffs. And again HDFC Bank in the inside the channel. So market is inside the channel, taking a very good a key support here. After that market starts rally almost like 2.5% up. So market is going in the good upside. Even let's see the Sun TV stock also. Sun TV, again see the market, a beautiful after the result from May 3rd, the market started from 558 to till now the 490, almost like 70 points was almost gone. Right now the market at the support, a major support. I am expecting might come down to 460 range, because 460 this is a clear trend line support. So I'm expecting that, and we need to wait. And see it, yesterday result was happened, result came, and even though result was given much impact to the stock, and again the support, clear support, almost like last 2 weeks the 4 times to 5 times the market touched the support. So definitely it's a good stock in the long term. So we need to wait what is going to happen. And Shobha, again the market is in after the trend line broken, after the channel broken, again the market is going upside, but unfortunately couldn't stay there. Again the lot of bearish candles, almost like out of last 6 trading days, 4 trading was in the bearish side, red candle side. So definitely market taking a support here. So we need to wait what is going to happen in the upcoming days. And UPL again, the market at the, as per the weekly Fibonacci extension, market at the 0.786 level. So again the market is taking a support here.